You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia 952. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a tour of this legendary Alfa Romeo Giulia, the alluring sports sedan that offers sharp handling, sensuous Italian styling, and racing-inspired performance. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, active suspension, backup camera, heated mirrors. Excite your senses. Drive this intoxicating Giulia. Come in for a delightful road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.